just so you know, there are no regulations on these two fish, so you're allowed to keep as many as you want. We caught a total of 68, which we killed it today, and that's a pretty good day to me. So we got a ton of fish to go back home with and clean up, and I am so excited. But first, we got to clean them up, put them in the cooler, and then I got to give something special to Captain Paul. We're doing a quick swap among products right here. So Captain Paul is going to give me his special, what we got here?
Well, what we got the whiting and croaker rigs that we were using today.
Yeah.
And we also have some pompano rigs that we've used in a previous journey.
Yes.
And basically the whiting and croaker rig's going to carry you through the summer. And then late fall, when the pompano come back, these pompano rigs will certainly be the ticket to putting some fish in the cooler.
And if anybody's interested watching this, where do they go to purchase it?
They can purchase it on the website of Fish Bites, the company themselves, or if you're local in Jensen Beach, the Snook Nook on Indian River Drive.
Perfect. Thank you so much. All right,
my pleasure.
Hook him up with some goodies here too.
Oh boy.
So I'm hooking him up with a ton of knives. We got Smith's Consumer Products, Lawaya saltwater coated fillet knife. So I'm giving him the 9 and the 7. The bait breaker knife, of course, you see all these knives on my show. And then also the sharpeners, handheld sharpeners here. We got the fancy Jif Fish one. It's got a knife sharpening tool and a whole bunch of gadgets on there. And then also a couple other ones and a couple stickers for you. A couple